Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, right now we are in a very critical stage. Also, it's very important for you to understand this is going to be the time where there is going to be so much fear in the market, and especially the uncertainty by the whales is causing the market to have a really strong pullback, a little bit of a rebound, and then the pullback becomes even stronger. Keep in mind, if we talk about Dogecoin, it has fallen short to the 13-cent mark, but there is more to happen. First of all, the trading volume is slowly creeping back up, but there are some positive catalysts. First of all, breaking news: Dogecoin payment discovered in the code of Tesla's Cybertruck. This is big. At the same time, major exchange creator announces a purchase of Dogecoin, and Dogecoin market mystery. Onchain data reveals an intriguing holder trend. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just happy to bargain, then push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the trend line. So this trend line is clearly been broken. I mean, compared to where we started, which was pretty much at the end of February, you can see that this is the first time since end of February where we have actually broken below the uptrend. But you need to understand that the initial jump that we received was actually broken in middle of April. Since then, we stayed in a consolidation phase, and then there was another spike down, but from that spike we also saw another uptrend which was broken. Now this middle zone, which where we were, was the critical phase, which was pretty much at the end to the start and to the mid of June. Now, since then, we have seen another spike down, so you can clearly see that there is a lot of fear in the market. A lot of people are just trying to, put their money in USDT and try to protect it as strong as possible. Once the market becomes a little bit more predictable, they will decide to jump in. But keep in mind, this is also the time where there is a lot of whales which are buying back in. I mean, if you're paying attention to very little details, you can see that the open interest has fallen short to 600 million. It was sitting close to 750 just 3 days ago. Now it's sitting close to 550, and the reason for that is the liquidations are becoming so large when it comes to long traders specifically. Now the last 24 hours only 1 million, but yesterday the long traders had lost over $3 million. Now the long to short ratio is slowly starting to favor more and more towards the long. As you can see, 74% are sitting in the long position. Now this is a very big breaking news. Dogecoin payment discovered in the code of Tesla's Cybertruck. The most iconic outcome is most likely. Now this could be a game changer, because you guys need to understand Dogecoin is being accepted by Tesla, but only for merchandise and other small things. If they start accepting it for something big, when I mean big, if they decide to sell their vehicles using Dogecoin, that could include Cybertruck, all the other models that they have, this could be game changer, as that would have a huge impact on the trading volume, and the legitimacy of Dogecoin would skyrocket. Now, major exchange creator announces a big deal. One of the biggest, most influential figures in crypto industry, Arthur, has announced that he's going to be buying Dogecoin in choppy market. Additionally, he's going to be adding other things. Now, if you guys do not know who this person is, which is Arthur Hayes, well, Arthur Hayes is an American entrepreneur, and he is the founder and former CEO of BitMax. If you do not know, BitMax is a very, very large trading platform, or just a crypto exchange to be more precise. Now, him mentioning that he is going to be adding more Dogecoin to his portfolio is obviously going to have a lot bigger positive impact on the Dogecoin price than anything else. At the same time, if you just do a little bit of research, this person actually has put in quite a significant bunch of money into Dogecoin. It's not just a little bit. Now, keep in mind, it was very stable around 15 cents, but seeing it dip below, this could be a perfect buying opportunity. At the same time, a lot of people can be fearful and decide to stay on the sideline. Now, in surprising twist, Dogecoin market on-chain data has unveiled a significant shift in the holder behavior. Now, over the past 1 year, the largest Dogecoin whales have been reducing their holding. The percentage of supply held by those owning more than 0.1 each has dropped from 45% to 41%. In contrast, retail and mid-sized investors now hold a larger share of the total supply. Is this a good thing? In a sense, yes, because this will actually allow allow for more distribution of the token, and it wouldn't be, let's say, manipulated by the whales as significant amount compared to what we have seen before. But now you need to understand, the more this is going to happen, it would also put a little bit of a negative impact, because it will show that the whales are slowly starting to not believe in the token and probably look for an alternate. So there's two scenarios that can play out. You guys can take which one you want in your mind. Dogecoin is forming a descending triangle with a support around 12.2. Price has recently tested the support and bounced from it, indicating a bullish reversal. The reason we were able to, recover from that price range very quickly is a lot of people's limit orders must have been set around the similar price action. Dogecoin funding rates are starting to flip negative. Data shows as the trader move away from riskier assets amid the low volatile in the broader crypto market. I mean, it's really interesting because right now I personally feel like we are in a stage of the crypto market where there's just so much uncertainty and fear, and a lot of people believe this could be the top. So that's why a lot of people are making sure that they do not end up losing too much money. XRP and Dogecoin communities buzz as Elon Musk celebrates 600 million users on X. Now this is a good thing, because you need to understand that there is going to be a lot of people that will be, using Twitter. When they use Twitter, X payments, once it's announced, will be also used by the same people. So more users, more, people will be using Dogecoin. Dogecoin bounced back as Arthur Hayes doubles down on the Dogecoin, and leverage position liquidations on the derivative market break a 3-year record, with 60 million getting swept away by the bears. So you can see, as I mentioned, the longs have lost quite a significant or substantial amount of money. Dogecoin whales reduce holdings as the retail investors increase the market preference. Now the reason you need to understand that this is a positive trend, because it has not made a huge difference to the market cap. The market cap has not had a significant dip because the whales decided to take the money out. That means the whales are getting replaced by the retail investors, which is actually very good. Now smart Bitcoin whales sees market dip to acquire massive haul around $400 million worth of Bitcoin being purchased. So you can see something big is going to be happening very soon. Bitcoin on-chain transaction volume plummets. Are the market waiting for it to drop down to 60K? This would be a big problem if that happens. And Singapore flags crypto for higher risk in money laundering. And as I mentioned, there's just so much negative and positive news coming out for crypto in general, and that's one of the reasons why the crypto market is pretty much substantially stuck in the same location from the past month. But I feel like a big breakout is about to happen very soon. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.